Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Once again, I am Raju Upadhyay from CIMAGE College, Patna, Department of IT. So today we are going to talk about the very important features of Advanced Excel, which is very useful for the professionals as well as for students. So let me share my screen to give a proper demo. So this is my small worksheet where you can find the list of salesmen. They sold a certain product like keyboard, mouse, and SSD with certain numbers for a particular day. Now, I wanted to show along with this particular keyboard, the data which you have, I wanted to see the 23 pieces or 45 pieces or 56 pieces. So what you can do is you can mention like this 23 as well as along with that, we can write the pieces. If you write like this, then there will be a problem. Let's say if somebody has told you to find out the total of this. So let's say I wanted to have a total here and somebody wants to get the total of all these three. So what you can do is you can say equal to, you wanted to add this this plus this. And if you hit the enter key, you get the error. Obviously, the moment you have mentioned PCS, that means this cell is having a two different kind of data. The first two letters are number. Along with that, we are having alphabets. So obviously, this is not going to work out. So what I can do is I have to do some sort of certain formatting with this particular cell, so I can do the needful. I have to display PCS as well as this should allow us for calculation as well. So what we can do is we can select this particular column list and we can press Control 1. If you press the Control 1, directly it will take you to the Format Cells window. Within a Format Cells window, we have Custom. Select the custom. Here you have mentioned, it is already mentioned general. You remove this and say hash. And just by having a space, within a double quotes, we can write PCS. That is pieces, whatever you want. And if you hit the Enter key, the moment you hit the enter key, you are getting all pieces are attached with a certain number. Now, the benefit which we have got it here, you can notice if I wanted to do the calculation, so I say equal to this plus this plus this. So now remember in earlier time we had some error. So if you hit the enter key, you don't get the error out. Instead of getting error, you are getting the required output. So this is the one way by which you can mention the PC number of pieces out here. Now, if you wanted to display here boxes, right? 56 boxes of mouse, 67 boxes of the mouse. So what you can do, again, you can highlight it and you can go for same option, Control 1 and go for custom. And here you can specify like this, hash space within double quotes boxes, right? If you hit the enter key, you are getting the boxes. Now, one more thing, the very interesting thing is, let's say for the SSD, we are having number of pieces. Number of pieces out, number of quantity sold is, or here we are seeing out here something like one box. Clear? Here we are having 45 boxes. Here we are having a 34 boxes. So for this, what we wanted is, if the number is 1, then it should display the box. If the number is 45, it should display boxes. So how you can do that? Clear? So in order to perform it, what you can do is, again, you can select it and you can go for Control 1. You get this kind of screen. And within this, again, we can go for the custom. And within a custom, we are getting a type out here. And here I can, now here we have to specify the condition. If the number is 1, it should display box. And if the number is more than 1, it should get display boxes. So in order to specify the condition, we are going to write a square bracket, then we write equal to 1. This is for condition. Then after that, we can specify space. Then we write hash. And then we have to write out here box. That means I'm going to mention the condition. If the current cell is having a value 1, it should display the box. Otherwise, for the otherwise, you can say semicolon. And there, again, we have to mention hash, then double quotes. And here I can write boxes. Clear? Here we can write boxes. And if you hit the enter key. So you can notice out here, if it is 1, then it's showing the box. And if it is more than 1, it's showing the boxes. Again, if I mention out here instead of 45, if I write again 1, so it is getting converted to box. So it's going to be quite interesting. So that's all for the day. So I hope you must have understood this very interesting feature of Excel. And we will talk about another feature of Excel in Monday's video. Thanks for watching this video. And if you like the video, please click on like button and leave your valuable comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video once again.